There is a rhythm to life, the steady pulse of work, the constant hum of responsibilities, the days that blur together far away from nature. I have spent countless hours behind the screens and under the fluorescent light, feeling the weight of routine pressing down on my spirit. The yearning for something more, something real, grew louder with each day passing. And then I decided to listen. Today, I'm leaving behind the noise of the everyday world, trading it for the whisper of the wind, the call of the distant mountains, and the silence that only nature can offer. I'm heading to a place where time slows down, where the world is still wild, and where I can breathe deeply. Welcome to Albania, a land where mountains touch the sky. The river carved their stories into the earth. Here, in the heart of the Balkans, I'm reconnecting with something I've missed, something I didn't even realize how much I needed. The road to Albanian Alps is more than just a journey across landscape. It's a journey back to myself. As the city lights fade away in the rearview mirror, I feel the tension in my shoulder starts to melt away. The air grows cooler, fresher, carrying with the scent of pine and the promise of adventure. My journey diving deep into nature begins from Thet, a village where life moves at a pace of seasons, and where every stone and every wooden fence tells a story older than the mountains themselves. This place is a sanctuary hidden away from the rush of the modern world, where the only sounds are the songs of birds and the rustling of leaves in the breeze. Walking through that feels like stepping into a painting, a scene where nature and humanity exist in perfect harmony. The mountains, tall and silent, stands as a garden over this valley. Here I'm reminded of the simplicity of life, the kind that I've almost forgotten.
Golden light pours through the blinds, wash away the worries like a winding tide.
The warmth of fire, the taste of fresh bread,
Yesterday left far behind. Your sweet scent
the
fills
joy of
my
a quiet
lungs
evening
so
under the stars.
in this soft light, troubles fade away with you. No need for words to say your love, a gentle breeze that carries me through. I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, I'd reach so high. Across the ocean, I'd soar with pride. For you, I give up my
These are the
dreams, my
moments
hopes, my
that brings me
view.
back to truly what matters.
What more could
And in the
I
simplicity,
ever do?
I find a profound
I give
peace.
up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, I. In the silent dawn, you
And as I prepare to return to the everyday rhythm again, I carry with me the lesson of the mountains, their patience, their strength, and their timeless beauty. In Albania, I've not just found a destination, but a place to reconnect, to rediscover, and to remember what it means to truly live.
love that grows like a tender